spiritual tips for setting up a home office. I think due to this pandemic, a lot of people know they ask like, how do I energize my place? Or since I'm working from home, it looks like we might even work for a few more months, or in future, it has become a necessity that we have to have an office in our home. So we are bringing everything into the house now. So is there anything spiritually we can do to enhance that place? Because that's always a place where people get a lot of stress, and it is a place where you are personally available in your house and yet you allow to officially function. So it's kind of an inner debate that everybody undergoes, and they want to know if there is any other specific direction, anything that would be recommended. So I'll be recommending you 3 directions that you can use. One is you can keep your desk in the south direction or southmost corner of your house. In your house, if there's a south room there, you can allocate that place, or in your room, if it is not exactly as per Vastu, or if you are any room south direction, if you keep your table and desk, office desk, and you can work. So that would attract people who are more related into finance or anything related to money related things like stock market or anything related to finance related things. You can work on it. For people who are working in those domain, banking sector or any other things, that would be an ideal place for you. The other one would be the north direction, where north is more about supply chain or e-retail, which involves you are interacting with external people like customers or supply chain. So those kind of work, if you are into those kind of domain, then you can work on the north direction part of it, might be more useful for you. The third and last one is the southeast direction. Okay, so the southeast direction is the general auspicious place for any kind of work you do. It could be teaching, many online teachers are there now, or if you are into any other profession, this would be an ideal place. This is a direction when you work, you attract a lot of prosperity and abundance. Or if you're looking for a promotion or any other field, you might be a software engineer, or you might be an accountant. Accountant means it is again, you'll have to go to the south direction. So for any other professions which I have not mentioned for the north and the south, southeast would be an ideal one. So if your house is not, if your room is not exactly northeast or south, then you will have to fake that energy, or you will have to divert that energy. Okay, it might not be exactly north, south, east, west. Nobody builds a house today, right? The plot itself is kind of a irregular shape. So one of the additional bonus tips I can tell you is if you do not have south, or if that south direction or any specific direction in your house is not a right place for you to do it, then in front of your desk or you can keep a huge mirror, so that it gives an illusion that the room is very big. See, the point is all these energy field, they interact with you through your senses. So it is through your eyes how you see them. So when you position yourself table accordingly, or you can keep a mirror in front of you, a huge mirror, or on the side, where whenever you see a kind of a long hall or something. You might have seen in a lot of showrooms and shops, right? Even the shop will be actually small. They'll keep a huge mirror in the back, so it looks like the shop is very big. So it's kind of an illusion. When your eye sees that abundance of energy, your mind also will start working towards it. So that's how, these are simple tips I wanted to share. Do try it in your house and let me know. Experiment it. It doesn't mean that what I've said is I'm a channel or anything, but I would encourage you to work in different places, in different direction. Your mind will tell you which is more harmonious. You will feel more calm in that day. You will feel some progress in your work that day. Mark that place. This and all, the Vastu itself has came from the animals. Actually, it has come, the inspiration has come from the Egypt to India. So what they found is, if you see all these animals, they don't sleep randomly in any place where they get. Only human beings can do that. Whereas if you take a dog, street dog, they know, they go to a specific place and they sniff that place, and you can see they will sleep in that regular place only. They know exactly where that energy levels are and which is suitable for them, that is where they will sleep. So I'm just giving you an example how animals can sense it. We also have that ability inside us, but unfortunately we have not unlocked it, or we have been confused with our thoughts and education, and our ego plays a lot of role here, so we are not able to sense it. Otherwise, just take some time, play around with the hall or any place where you work. You will definitely know, and most probably it will match these directions what I've said, north, south or southeast. I hope this is useful for you in the lockdown period. For people who are working from home, some people are self-made entrepreneurs, solopreneurs. Mostly their house is their office. So do study those things and you will get a lot of idea. And do share what worked for you and we will take it forward. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch up with you in another interesting video. Bye.